So guys, today we are going to discuss about light. How is to be a light for people around you? Well, this live stream is about personal development in general. Okay. Wow, amazing. Look, also I have one. You see? It's amazing. So, when you look to this light, I just want to think for 5 minutes. What does it mean, this light for you? Just for 5 minutes think. When you look to this light, to this candle, because it's burning now, you see? And what happened when you put another one? Look, here is a light, okay, a candle. Here doesn't have any light. But if this has a light and this also has a light, look, we have two lights now. You see? So from one, we could help another one. So being a light for yourself, that means you can help also others. You can enlighten them. Okay? And it's amazing.
You mentioned you just went back to my idea. So I meant by finding your Godfather is finding the light which will be turning you. So Mister Webtalk, Mr. Aaron, he's the one who enlightened me. So we are both now two lights. I can make life in every dead person right now. I can do that. I believe in myself, so I can motivate, because I was really a pessimistic person for the whole of my life, and I already went out from my comfort zone since 20 days. So I was the most pessimistic person in this planet, and I think I deserve a Guinness prize for this sad feelings. So now I'm like full of energy. I am ready to help anyone. So this is your point. So Mr. Webtalk enlightened me. I will be enlightened one, and we will be having a chain of positive energy. So each one will enlighten and another. And if really every person in this planet is working by this principle, we will be really having shining earth and not a dark earth like this.
Congratulations, Webtalk, Mr. Webtalk. You see, you are right.
That's really an honor for me.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
I want to.
You make me blush.
Yeah.